Guarded by Şengün. The fadeaway. Count.
And that's what I expected, Bill. He demanded the basketball there.
Sohan got in there to mess that up. Now gives it up to Vassell.
There he is again.
The lob. Hey! Mama Wembanyama!
You can see at the last second, Keldon realizes it, throws it to maybe Jeremy. Jeremy's not big enough to get to that one. Victor dunking on his own teammates. He just reaches Jeremy for that one. And that's what I'm talking about. Just throw it to the top of the arena, and that young man's going to go get it. But I love the patience on that play there. He recognized the mismatch, and they were trying to use it to their advantage.
Osman had it poked away.
Oh, wow, look at that length.
Victor retrieves. Jalen Green inside a minute. Victor claims the rebound. Ahead to Osman. Stop and pop from three. Oh, yeah! Chased down by the Spurs, and Vassell ahead to Victor. Into the paint, goes up and scores with an and one.
How about that? It looked like he's going to pass that ball out to the corner. There you go.
Wembanyama little stuff.
Bill, have I been talking about it?
Rockets with 22 points. How about the good stuff, though?
Yeah, all he has to do is look back, throw it up there in the air, and he's going to do something with it. Like I said, Trey Jones has that point guard mentality. He's going to find Victor in the open court for your Methodist healthcare. This system is much better for him.
Well, they have a system. On the drive. Oh, my goodness! Send it to the line! VW!
Has any right to dunk this one. He takes off from the other side and makes it look easy.
That's one of those Devin Vassell told us we'd see in the preseason. He goes, you're going to have one of those nights, or every night, a moment where you go, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, how much fun. It's quickly the other way with Jalen Green. 5.5 remaining. Houston trying to add to its lead. Wembanyama with a block on Şengün. Devin trying to make it happen and cannot. The Rockets advantage. Smith. Oh my! Blocked by Wemby. Blocked again by Wemby. Get it out of here!
Push the ball.
Well, back-to-back blocks.
And Jabari Smith tried to challenge him, and he found out.
Wembanyama on the drive. He scores! We're tied! And I said you should get in coaching.
It just powers his way to the bucket. Big-time basket.
Smith Jr. no. The rebound. Şengün. Boy, he is tough.
Yeah, he doesn't miss those in tight.
Tried to shovel it underneath. The pass was picked off.